In today's video, we will be going through a landing page hero section redesign for Allstacks. Allstacks is a agentic platform for software development. In today's video, we will be specifically looking at the keyword OKR software. We can see from the spy through research that the ad group and the keyword does have message match. So if we look at the ad group itself, the copy inside of the ad group, it does mention OKR software several times. However, when we go ahead and look at the landing page that is linked to this keyword, there is no mention of OKR at all in the hero section. The data suggests that more than 60% of visitors coming from your Google ad click will not go beyond the hero section, which is this section here above the fold. So we need to ensure there is message match, and you want to be repeating what the searcher has searched for inside of the Google search bar. I want to go ahead and just break this hero section down, showing what they're doing well and what they can improve on. First of all, the menu bar at the top here has several links that can take you easily away from the page. If you open up this menu bar, you can see there are several links here that will take the visitor away from the page and away from converting on the page. Secondly, the CTA buttons here, book a demo, this one here does not work. Unfortunately, it says page not found. And then if you go back and click on the second button here as well, this again has an issue as well and does not enable the visitor to book a demo with Allstacks. The most important element on a hero section is the headline. The headline does over 80% of the work of your hero section. You need to make sure the headline resonates with the keyword and the search term. For this particular keyword here, OKR software, there is no mention of OKR software in the headline nor in the sub headline as well. Finally, on the right hand side, we have this visual here, but it does not show you the product in action. Now I want to go ahead and show you the hero section that I have redesigned for Allstacks and show you why I have made the changes that I have made. Firstly, we have removed the old navigation bar and added these anchored links here. These links, rather than taking the visitor away from this particular page, they will simply take the visitor to the section on this page. So this page would have another section for each of these links here. Secondly, we've improved the CTA buttons. From just saying book demo, we've replaced that with book a custom walkthrough. When I went on the Allstacks website and tried to book a demo, it mentioned on the demo they will go through a custom walkthrough for the particular buyer. So it's important to mention that upfront in the CTA button. We've added a eyebrow headline which explicitly mentions the keyword inside of it. It mentions OKR software within the headline here. The headline itself on their landing page, which says clear view, clear value, which doesn't really explain what Allstacks does. We've gone ahead and added a very specific benefit-driven headline. And the headline now says automatically track dev progress against company OKRs. This explicitly mentions what the product does. We've also improved the sub headline, which is a lot more clearer and shows you exactly what Allstacks does. Finally, we've removed the old visual and added a great GIF from their website. This GIF shows a great overview of Allstacks dashboard. Hope this has been of value to you. If you are a B2B SaaS company and want me to redesign your hero section, feel free to reach out or write in the comments below. Thanks for your time and see you next time.